Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to replace HLookup using index match function. Okay, in other words, what the HLookup is doing, the same thing we are going to do it using an index match function. Okay, so the data what I have is a set of countries, about 247 countries we have in horizontal order, and it's sales values in the second row, also in the horizontal order. Okay, so each country and their respective sales. Okay, you can see about 247 countries and its sales. Okay, the final record is Zimbabwe and its sales value is 1680. Okay, you may be wondering, is there 247 countries in the world? That's why I put a territory, and it is some of them are territories. Okay, now what I have is I have a country name Albania. Okay, I want to bring the sales value by HLookup. Okay, how to do that? Okay, for given country Albania, I'm trying to bring the sales value using HLookup. Why we are using HLookup? Because the data is in horizontal order, so we need to use HLookup, horizontal lookup. If the data is in the vertical order, the column wise, then we might have used VLOOKUP. Okay, so now for how to do that, what is the lookup value? Lookup value is the country Albania, and where do you want to look it up? In the table array, which is the set of full set of values, country as well as the sales. Okay, fine. But the point to be noted here, this A6 value is country, so the table array's top most row must be country column. Okay, country row. Okay, it cannot be sales row. Okay, why? Because the HLookup by definition it looks the lookup value only in the top most row. Okay, so that one we must keep in mind. For this example, we already have the topmost row is country and the looking value is also country, so no problem. Okay, then row index number. What is row index number? If this value is found, what is the respective value you want to bring out? I want to bring out the sales value, but the sales value is in the second row, so you must put what row value you want to bring back, which is row index number is 2, second row, because the sales is second row. Okay, then the fourth argument is whether you want exact match or approximate match. If Albania is not found, you want to approximate match of before element or the next element. No, we want a exact name match, which is false. The argument is false, but you can also use 0. Okay, enter. Now you can see the horizontal lookup brings the value 1921. Okay, which is the sales value of Albania. Okay, now our objective is to replace horizontal lookup. Okay, this is the way horizontal lookup works. If for other countries also, we will check it whether horizontal lookup works fine or not. We can make this one as a list box. Click here the cell, go to data validation, then allow settings, allow list box, then go to the source must be the set of country names. Once you got the country names, click, then press OK. Once you press OK, you can see here in the country cell you can have a list box. That list box will tell you all the country names. You can see for every country what is the sales by horizontal lookup. Probably you can check it for some country, probably Zimbabwe, 1680. Let's see whether it's 1680. Yes, 1680 the sales. Okay, so we will go back to Albania. That is our objective. Okay, now What we are going to do is the index max match function to do the same work. Okay, before that we will check what is match function and index function. I will explain to you. Match function for a particular country. Okay, I have a name here. I'll use the match function. What happens? Match function, you can read here, match returns the relative position of an item in an array. Okay, if you use a match, okay, you look it up the value, the country. Okay, in the lookup array is country list. Okay, if you look it up a value in an array, okay, and what kind of match you want, absolutely it is exact match. I want to see the same country name is present or not there. Okay, the exact match. If I do this, it will bring number 5. What is number 5? You can check it from the country. Leave the header. You can start from here. 1 2 3 4 5. Albania is 5th position in the array. Okay, 5th record, in other words 5th value in the array, country array. So if you check a name Albania in the country list, it will give you. If you check any value with the array, it will tell you in what position that value is in. Okay, so that's why it brought the number 5. Okay, if it is probably I will do it again for another country, Afghanistan. Match what value I want to find out. Afghanistan, this is the lookup value. Where do I must find it? In the country list. This is the array, lookup value in the array. I want an exact match of the name. Okay, the third argument, enter 2. So it brings it is in the list, it is in the second element. Okay, the position it is bringing. Okay, where the Afghanistan is. Okay, the position. Okay, so it is very interesting that Albania is 5th position. Okay, so match brings the relative position. Okay, what is index? I give the position now. Is more or less, it's we can safely say it is opposite to match. When I have a index function, if I have array, what is the array? I have a country array. Now in an array, if I give a position which is 5, it brings the value of that position. Okay, match brings, if you give Albania in the country name list, match brings the position of Albania. Okay, if you give the position, index brings the name of the country, which is Albania. Is opposite. Okay, so now it is interesting that in the match we know what is the position of Albania in the country. Okay, if we trick a little bit, we want the sales value. Okay, we know the position, then we send the same position into the sales array, then we will automatically get the Albania's sales. Okay, let's try here. We got the position already. Okay, 5. We know the Albania's position is 5. So what we are going to do, we are going to do the same thing, index. Okay, but not in the country array. Instead we send it to the sales array. Then it will automatically bring the corresponding sales value. Okay, 1921. If you make it for 2, what I am going to do, index of what is the array? Sales array. What position? Row number. In this example it is a column number actually, because the array itself in the horizontal order. Okay, so 2, you got 990, which is Afghanistan. Okay, so how to you use index and match functions, you will get a sales, corresponding sales. Okay, so I will write the function now. Index of the array. Where do you want to get, what do you want to get? I want the sales. Okay, index of sales, the sales list. Which element you want? Albania's position. Okay, that Albania's position is given by the match function. Okay, match lookup value is this value. Lookup array is now country array. So the lookup array is whole country array, then comma the match. How you are going to match the name Albania in the country array? It is exact match. Okay, close the bracket. Then it gives the Albania's position in the country array, this match. That position you will send it to index with the sales array. It will give the sales value. Okay, enter. See, the index match function works very fine to get the same horizontal lookup value. You see, if I get it for Vietnam, 225, you can see here 225. Okay, and also you can see both the HLookup and index match brings the same results. Argentina 1120. Okay, so this is the way you can replace horizontal lookup with the index match function. Want to replace HLookup because sometimes it is very difficult to keep the condition that you must the checkup value must be in the topmost row, or sometimes it may be not necessarily horizontal, it is also sometimes horizontal and vertical. Those conditions you must obviously go for index match lookup. Okay, so such cases you can very well replace horizontal lookup with index match. Okay, hope you like my video and you understood the concept here, and also please subscribe to my channel if you like it, and God bless you.